channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Happy Thursday, everyone. For today's video, I planned on having a couple of thrift flips for you, but the week's been kind of busy and just a little bit too chaotic, and I wasn't able to quite finish them yet. So that will be for Sunday's video. So instead for today, I kind of switched gears and I thought I would take you guys on a little tour of the nursery. So that is today's video. I hope you enjoy it. And without further ado, let's go out to the garden. today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a little stroll with me around the nursery. I always love an excuse to go out there, so thanks for going with me. If you did enjoy today's video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you saw something out there that you have any questions about or that you really liked. Then let's see, for Sunday's video, like I said in the beginning, that is going to be the 2 projects that I've been working on. I'm hoping to have those finished up today, so hope you can join me back here for that. Also, just a quick reminder, I do carry a full range of DIY products here in my shop. You can check those out on my website. It's www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. And also, just so you know, Redesigns with Prima's release is going to be May 5th. So I will be doing a full video when that release happens and show you all of the brand new beautiful products. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week and beginning of the weekend. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it, you guys, and I will see you back here on Sunday. Bye.